Okay, we're going to have a quick look through. This is Luftwaffe in Focus special number 4. One thing I say about these, the specials tend to disappear, sell pretty fast, and they tend not to come back on the shelves ever again. So if you want to get this, I'd suggest you get it sooner rather than later, because I guess it's probably a few months from now, by the end of the year, it'll be really hard to find. So, and this one is a special. It's covering Canal 1940-41, basically the English Channel from 1940 to 41. So that's the subject of this. Do the thing, table of contents. So this is, the text is always in English and German. The English is perfect. It's translated by a guy in Canada, I believe. So Channel 1940, background, aircraft in focus, scenery, dates and photos of the story. Overall, there are 52 pages into this. Let's have a look, see. 56 plus, yeah, 56 plus the covers. So, start off English Channel, basically a bit of an overview of the English Channel. There's lots of black and white, original black and white photos throughout, lots of ideas for models, dioramas, basically an overview of what's going on in the channel in 1940. Colour photographs of, this is survival equipment. The problems that the channel presented. Sometimes pilots ditched into the channel and they were seen to ditch into the channel and never seen from again. Rescuing, the Germans had a load of these floating about or moored in the channel for people to use. The rescue methods, there's photographs of aircraft being rescued. Like for example this aircraft, you can see it's been photographed crashing into the channel. Unfortunately these guys were never seen again. And then there's a specific mission, people being rescued, some of the boats that were used for rescuing. There's some information on actual rescues, prisoners of war who ditched in the channel, Heinkel 111 and Junkers 88 balloon cable fender aircraft in action over England and obviously ditched. So there's stories there and lots of photographs of that particular type of aircraft. This is the fate of quite a lot of the what were frontline aircraft at the time of the channel, and basically they were, as it says here, pushed off onto the replacement training staff eventually when they were replaced by more modern versions of the MA-109. So the stories about those. Here's a good one for you. An aircraft landed on a beach, ran out of fuel, and eventually they refueled it and got it to take off again from the beach, all before it disappeared under the tide. So there's a bunch there. What aircraft? There's a story. Luftwaffe 2's command post, apparently until very recently, as in these images, actually proved where it was. Nobody knew exactly where it was located until somebody, a private collector, came with those images. And then what images are that? And then a few more images, including a colour one. So in all, pretty neat, lots of original, never seen before material. If history of the Luftwaffe is a thing for you, then this magazine and the whole series is just for you. Best place to get it is direct from the publisher. I'll put the link underneath the website, and hopefully we'll be listing these on our shop ourselves pretty soon.